Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have my Disney Celebration box from Yarns, and I thought I would share it with you. So I literally just cut the tape, and let's take a look at what's inside. Excuse me, how pretty is that? I love that. Let's get it open. Let's hope the mail didn't jostle it too much. But, oh, look at that. How gorgeous is that? So let's take a look at what we got. And you know I have to put these on, right? You know I do. I have to put the Mickey ears on. Because, well, of course, I have many. And look at this. This is beautiful. Look, there's a furls. Who knew? Oh my gosh. Let's see what's in the furls box, because I have to go with the furls first. There's like, it's like right on top. It's like right in your face. Look at that. That is stunning. There is a furls hook. It is a G. And look at that. Look how stunning that is. That's beautiful. That's like right in the box. All you guys that didn't order a box, bet you wish you did now. Oh my gosh. We've got a goodie bag, and it is heavy. And we've got a bag, and it's heavy too. This is heavy too. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is so cute. Look, it's got a little pull on it. It's got rainbow zipper. Oh my gosh, I love this bag. Isn't that stinking cute? It's got Oslo all over it. I love that. Look, it's got a little Oslo, and it says, oh, come on, camera, Yarn Co. All right, we're going to save that for last because I can feel the yarn in it. Let's see what's in our goodie bags. This is exciting. I'm so excited. Pusheen, quit. Sorry about the cat. He's not happy unless he's the center of attention. All right, here's our goodie bag. I haven't looked. Oh my, what's in here? Oh, look at that. We have flat white Nescafe, and we have 2 packs of it. There it is. And it gives us directions on how to make it. Right there. Ooh, that's coffee. And then, oh, I got extra. What else is in here? Oh. There's tea, English breakfast tea. And there is what we all need. I'm going to try to put it so you can see this, the kinds. There is fig and pineapple groove of soak. We always need soap to wash our handmade items. Oh my. Oh yes, this is lovely. This is a glass nail file. These are fantastic. They don't wear out. And this is for getting the snags on your fingernails so you don't snag your yarn. That's fantastic. Oh my. And then let's get the camera to, come on, quit blowing it out. Quit blowing it out, camera. Alright. This is sweet orange hand cream. There we go. We got some hand cream. We could always use that. Keep our hands nice and soft. Awesome sauce. Oh, a big thing of stitch markers. Nice. I'm like super excited. I want to play with everything. I do. Oh, the bulb stitch markers. I can show you guys all the things you can do with these bulb stitch markers. You would not believe it. There's still more stuff. Another English breakfast tea. There's so much stuff in this bag. It's unbelievable. There is some scissors. You wouldn't believe all the stuff. I'm not done. I'm not done. I'm not done. I am so not done. Oh my gosh. There is so much stuff. There is a tape measure because we need a tape measure always. And then we have a tin, and you open it up, and it's got your needles, and of course a magnet at the bottom. And this makes a great needle threader right there. That is fantastic. All that fit in this tiny little bag. Oh, there's more. There had to be more. And look. It's a Mickey Mouse. It's a Mickey Mouse. It's a Mickey Mouse head. That is amazing. Look, all that fit in that little tiny bag. Can you believe that? And how stinking cute is this bag? That is so stinking cute. I love that. Oh my gosh. This is amazeballs. And then we have this bag. What could be in it? Oh, go so slow. I love it. Okay, look at the inside. Wow. There's another. Oh my, I might have got an extra one. I'm just saying. I might have got an extras. Oh, how pretty is that? I think I got an extra. I'm just saying. I deserve an extra. Oh, excuse me. So sorry. Oh my gosh, this is quite stunning. What in the world? Hold on. Oh. These are character stitch markers. These are characters from Disney. And these are amazing. We've got a Mickey. And this is just awesome sauce. We've got princesses. Oh my gosh, these are like so many of these here. You guys aren't going to believe it. This is just amazing. I'm trying to pick it up without knocking it over. Look. It's a stitch. These are just so awesome sauce. And there are just so many characters in here. Another Mickey. Look. There's just so many, and they're awesome sauce. I'm in love with them all. These are amazing. I mean, just look, that's, oh, come on, there it is. It's the rose from Belle. How awesome is this? Oh my gosh, I am going to put them in the tin with the magnet. I didn't show you half of them. There's like dozens of them. Oh my gosh. And the yarn. Oh my gosh. Now, I had the ability to purchase an extra skein. So I got 2 skeins. Boy, that looks blue. It is not blue. It is purple. It is very purple. It is purple. Boy, that looks blue on there. That's purple, that blue. I sure hope that's coming out in purple. Boy, that's very purple. That is not blue. What can I put next to it that's more? Don't pay no mind. No, it's purple. It's not blue. But that is beautiful. This is 100 Years of Magic. It is a DK weight. It is 100%, 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, 100 grams, 225 meters. And it is a DK weight, and it is stunning, but it is very purple. And on here, what I see on my camera is blue, but this is very purple, and it is beautiful, and I can't wait to use it. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. But this is amazing. I love the bag. That is just gorgeous, and it's got, I don't know if you could tell, but that's Daniel's yarn. That's amazing. This was chock full of accessories and yarn and stitch markers, and there was a hook and oh my gosh, this bag this is well worth the box. This was full of everything. So my suggestion is the next time they offer another box, grab one up, because this was well worth it, and it shipped from the US to me, and it literally took 2 days. That was it. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the box opening. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.